today's tutorial, I'm going to show you why and how you can create an audio visualizer or spectrum in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Once Adobe Premiere Pro CC has been opened and loaded, drag the music or the audio piece that you like to use onto the timeline. The next step is to locate the part of the audio that you'd like to transform into an audio wavelength or spectrum. In this case, I'm highlighting and adding a video marker, and I'm adding an in point and an out point to the audio piece that I'd like to use for this example. The next step is to scroll up under the project bin and then to click the fourth icon right here, which says new item, and then scroll down and click the fourth option, which says adjustment layer, and then click OK. Slap the adjustment layer onto your timeline, drag it and adjust it accordingly, and then highlight both the adjustment layer and the audio piece, and then right click and click replace with After Effects composition. Once Adobe After Effects has been loaded and open, click or highlight the adjustment layer and scroll up to the top screen and click a layer, click new, the second option solid, and click OK. The next part is to open your dark solid, and once your dark solid has been selected and highlighted, click the fifth option next to layer, effect, and scroll down until you see the option generate, and click the third option here which says audio spectrum. Now once loaded, under the effects controls, under audio layer, click the drop down arrow here and click or select the music piece or audio piece that you'd like to transform. Now as you can see on our timeline, and if we go back to Adobe Premiere Pro, you now have an audio spectrum or in a wave form. Congratulations, you can export this in Adobe Premiere Pro by clicking Ctrl+M on your keyboard, and as you can see, you can select your desired setting, or if you want to export this directly in Adobe After Effects, go to File, scroll down until you see Export, and choose one of these options, and then click Render. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.